This is a 7-Eleven in Akita, Japan, and here we continue the hunt for the elusive orange Kit Kat. Let's see if they have it. "7-Elevens in Japan are cool. They still have magazines. If I find an orange Kit Kat here, which is Japan only, I'm gonna be shocked. God, I love those things. Okay, we got some candy here. Somehow this doesn't look like the whole candy section. Certainly not. You can get good food here too, by the way. Huh. Well, surprisingly, I think that was the only candy section. Beef jerky. Yeah, 7-Elevens in Japan are way different than the ones in America. I definitely prefer them here in Japan. These drinks are all hot, by the way. This isn't a cooler, it's a heater. Got a little bit more candy here. Huh. Well, sure enough, that looks like that was the only candy section. All right, these things right here, these are insanely delicious. I gotta get that. Oh, you can buy spirits here at the 7-Eleven. All right, so one last check. One last check. Yeah, if they had Kit Kats, I think this would be the section right here. Doesn't appear to be any American candy here at all. Okay, well, I guess that's not surprising because this is not America. So we will continue the hunt for the orange Kit Kat. I guess in a couple of weeks in Tokyo. If the orange Kit Kats are available in Japan, I'm gonna find them. You got that, Reverend Amagon? I'm gonna find them, bro. Okay, so here's a nice look at a 7-Eleven in Japan. These are wonderful places to shop, and a lot of people that live in neighborhoods around 7-Eleven will eat here quite often. Okay, that's it. If you're enjoying this video series of an American in Japan visiting family, not as a tourist, be sure to like and subscribe. And do enjoy.